Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck still has less than 15,000 miles. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a trip computer, a front bench seat, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.